This is another Super Bronco 2008 mod that I did. The stock exhaust was failing a bunch. Kind of bolted up here and clamped over there, but it put a lot of weight right on the weld. It seemed like a pretty common problem that the weld always break. So I ended up just going to the hardware store. I found these couple Briggs Stratton mufflers that handle a max of 16 horsepower, which is a 20 horsepower. That's why I put 2 on there. You could probably get away with 1, just might wear out quicker. And then I just ended up getting some 1-inch steel pipe. So I got a 4.5, and I had a 4.5 up here that I cut down. And then there's a 1-inch length piece here and 2 3-inch pieces right there. And yeah, and then these are just some 1-inch clamps. I cut a chunk out of the old exhaust frame just so it fit in. And now I got an exhaust with some 1 1/4 U-bolts up there, just clamping it around with some sheet metal wrapped around it. And now I got an exhaust that shouldn't fail, and it works, and it was about $40 instead of the $87 for a brand new one. So that's another Super Bronco mod I did. Thanks. Then this is what it looks like with the hood of the mower on. It's a little crooked from its clamp, but it works.